Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2025 Ford Explorer? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your Explorer. Under Hood Fuse Box. The 2025 Ford Explorer Under Hood Fuse Box features a compact, organized layout with clearly labeled fuses and relays for essential engine and electrical systems. It is designed for easy access and maintenance. A diagram on the cover helps quickly identify fuse functions. Interior Fuse Box. The 2025 Ford Explorer's interior fuse box is located beneath the dashboard on the driver's side. It protects essential electrical components like power windows, audio system, and lights. The box is designed for easy access, allowing for quick fuse replacement.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on 2025 Ford Explorer fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.